today we'll be doing our maths bridge course. Okay. So you would have seen like previous week and all, you would have learned certain things which are very important even for your 9th standard also. Now today we will be talking about algebraic expression. But in algebraic expression, not as earlier one, like factorization or not, we are not going to do. We are going to do different terms. Okay, that is new terms. What are the new terms? First one in algebraic expression. You are going to learn about coefficient. Okay, coefficient. Now what is this coefficient basically? Okay, now I will write an algebraic expression and then I will tell you. Okay. Okay, now listen here. Now coefficient, I said right, coefficient. Now if I write coefficient of x squared, coefficient of x, and then constant. Now let me tell you what all this term means. Coefficient of x squared means the number before x squared. Now what is the number before x squared, children? The number before x squared is 2. So that you will write it. Getting it? Next. Coefficient of x means what? The number before x is 7. Constant means which doesn't have any alphabet along with it. Either it might be x, y, a, b, p, q or whatever it is. They are only as number without alphabet. So that is said to be your constant term, and that is what here? It is 3. And listen here, they not only ask for x square, x and all. Now whatever the algebraic expression it might be, it can be p, q, r, it can be x, y, z, it can be a, b, c, like the d, e, f, whatever it is, the number before, they will represent, okay, they will tell like this, coefficient of x square. Now instead of x square I can write as p. Coefficient of p means if I have written here p, then what is the number before p? That we have to write. You are getting it? Coefficient of x square is 2. Coefficient of x is 7, constant is 3. You are getting it? So this is how you are supposed to identify your coefficient. This is actually a simple term. There is no problems in this. You have to understand the coefficient. Because when you are learning in your 9th standard, when you are getting into deeper subjects, that time you have to know what is coefficient of x or x square, of y, y square, a, b square, like that. So the number before that particular alphabet is said to be your coefficient. Means they are giving their means they are together. So it is coefficient. I think you got this. I will write one more example to explain this. Then we go for different terms. So now look at here again. Coefficient. Next one I am going to write, okay? Okay, now look at here. I will write coefficient of p square. Coefficient of q. Then constant. What? Coefficient of p square is what? What is the number before p square? It is 4. Next, coefficient of q. What is the number before q? 5. And what is constant? Constant means without any alphabet. That is 7. So write 7. So now you understood how to write the coefficient of your algebraic expression. Now next we will go to the next topic, that is your multiplication of binomials. What is it? Multiplication of binomial. Binomial means what? Two algebraic terms. Now let me take here. X plus 3, okay, into x plus 5. Now multiply. You have to multiply these two brackets. Now how will you multiply it? First you see x here. X plus 5. You have to take this first term, multiply this entire thing. Then what is the sign here? Plus. Again take this 3 and multiply this entire term. Now see here. X into x is what? 2x means x into x is x square. Then what is the sign here? Plus. Then x into 5 is what? 5x. Okay. Now next this is plus here. Right here plus. Now 3 into x is what? It is not 3x. Next again it is plus sign. So 3 into 5 is what? 3 5s are 15. Got it? So now see here. This is x square. This is constant. Now here also 1x, here also 1x is there, isn't it? Now 5 plus 3 is how much? 5 plus 3 is 8. Now have to add these two numbers. So write x square plus 5 plus 3 8x plus 15. This is how you are supposed to do the multiplication of binomials. This multiplication, please be thorough, children, because it is very important even in your 9th standard as well as your 10th standard. So this multiplication I want you people to be done. Now I will be doing for another set of value to teach you again clearly with your multiplication. Okay. Now see here, 2x plus 5 into 2x plus 7. Okay. Now again I will repeat it. This 2x, you have to multiply this entire bracket. So I will write here 2x into 2x plus 7. Next again with this 5 also, you have to multiply the entire bracket. Plus 5 into 2x plus 7. Got it? Now what you will do next? I will use color chalk to tell you. 2x into 2x. So first you do with number. 2 into 2 how much? 4. X into x is x square. Now again 2x into 7. First do off with the numbers. 7. Now first before putting that, put the sign. What is your plus sign? 7 into 2 how much? 14. Now only one x is there, write down that x. Okay. Again here is what? 5. Now 5 into 2 is how much, children? 5 into 2 is 10. How many x are there? Only 1 x. Plus 5 7s are 35. Again look at here. This 4x square is separate. 35 is separate. Here x and x, they look like common term. Now you are supposed to add them. So I will write 4x square plus 14 plus 10 is 24x plus 35. Got it? So this will be your multiplication of binomial. Binomial means two terms. Okay. Now next what we will do? We will learn the algebraic formulas. Okay. We will learn what? Algebraic formulas. That is your algebraic identities. This is very important. Write down when you are watching the videos. Okay. Algebraic identities. So first one under that. A plus B the whole square. So what is the formula here? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now second one is A minus B the whole square. So it is again A square plus B square minus 2AB. Next, third one is A square minus B square is what? It is nothing but A plus B into A minus B. This can be written vice versa, children. They can give either like this or like this. But this one you have to abbreviate. So now what I will do, I will teach for each formula, I will teach you one sum so that you will understand. So I want you to write down this formula as you are seeing the video today. Okay? Now anyways, let's do one. For the first one, I will do the sum. Okay? See now, using algebraic identity. First sum is x plus 5 the whole square. Here, your one is job. Here your x is A, your 5 is B. You are getting it? X is what? A, 5 is B. Now in this formula you are going to write it. So x is A. A is what? A square. Now here x. So x square. B is what? 5. So B means 5 the whole square. Plus 2 is in the formula. A is what? X. Into, sorry, this is into x. B is what? 5 into 5. You are getting it? Now x square is nothing but x only. So I'll write as x square. Now 5 square is nothing but 5 into 5. 5 is how much? It is 25. Plus. Now 2 into 5. First finish off with your numbers, okay? 2 5s are 10. And your x here. So now what you will do, you rewrite in the proper format. First it should be x square, x and then your 25. So I write as x square plus 10x plus 25. So this is how you are supposed to do your algebraic expression using this identities. Okay. Now next I will do with the A minus B formula. Now I did with A plus B formula. No. Now I will do with A minus B formula. Now look at here. It is A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. There, here we wrote plus. For minus formula, here you are writing minus. So now again I will write. It is B minus 3 the whole square. Okay. So now here T is what? P is your A, B is your 3. Getting it? So you use as P square plus B is what? 3. So you will write 3 the whole square minus 2 into A is what? P and B is 3. Okay. So now again P square you will write as same way. P square plus 3 is what? 3 square is 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Minus 2 3s are how much? 6. 6P. Now what you will do? As I said, you have to rearrange it, isn't it? So you have to write as P square, this minus 6P and this plus 9. So this is how you are supposed to do your formula method. Okay. Now next we will go with the other formula. So the next one is A plus B into A minus B. That is equals to A square minus B square. Okay, now look at here. Here I am gonna do as q plus 5 into q minus 5. Look at here. Here your A is q and q. Your B is 5 and 5. You are getting it? But see the sign here. Here it is plus. Here it is minus. That is your q plus 5, q minus 5. Now how will I substitute? Let's substitute as q square minus 5 square. Q square as it is I will write. Minus 5 into 5. 5 is how much? It is 25. Only so much. Q square minus 25. So I hope you all understood how to use these three formulas and substitute and multiplication of binomial and the term coefficient. Okay, if you are not understanding anything, kindly message in the group. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you, children.